Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Premium memory solution for action cameras, drones, or high-end smartphones and tablets. Superior read speed up to 160 megabytes per second and write speed up to 120 megabytes per second. Quickly captures, plays back, and transfers media files, including 1080p Full HD and 4K UHD video, and high-resolution photos. Quickly run your apps at blazing A2 speed. Limited lifetime product support for card and 1 year for adapter. The number 3 on the list is: after researching on different forums and after checking the quality, we come to this point. This product comes with multiple amazing results. So if you want to buy this product, it is money saving. We will always recommend you to buy this product. We are going to give 5 stars to this amazing product. The quality and price chart is amazing. You are getting a premium product in affordable price. On Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. The number 2 on the list is: many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. 8 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, 1200 nits display, 4G LTE unlocked, Android 9, rugged tablet, great for drones. See more product details, 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 detail. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. 8 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, 1200 nits display, 4G LTE unlocked, Android 9, rugged tablet, great for drones. See more product details.